What size needle do you need to use for your quilting? Too small and it's likely to break and snap, just like some of these twigs are around me. Too large and you're going to leave some unsightly holes in your quilt, and you really don't want that. It's not a great look. So what size do you need? So just like Red Riding Hood's porridge, we don't want too cold, we don't want too warm, but we do need just perfectly right. Hey, you don't think there's a wolf in these woods, do you? Let's move on. Just right, I reckon, is a 90/14 needle. That is the perfect size to go through all the 3 layers of your quilt. It will be strong enough to go through without breaking, and it will be small enough not to leave holes in your quilt. And the other thing is that your quilting thread is thicker than your standard piecing thread. So you need a larger needle with a larger eye to cope with that thicker thread. I hope that has helped. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Do pop a comment below, and do please share with your quilting friends. And I'm going to move swiftly on before the wolf arrives.